Yes, we're back in the veg pot, and as you can see, there's just a few beans on here that perhaps we could pick. It's not a bad one, look at that. That won't be stringy. However, this is what we actually do. We leave them on the pod. We leave them like that for them to dry, and when they dry, we can dehub pod them in here. Let's just open one up for you to have a look. They are. There's next year's beans, and that's what my old dad used to do. He used to keep the runner bean seeds, see it lean year on year on year on year, and they used to produce some fantastic bean crops. So that's what I would do if I've got runner beans. Don't be too keen to take them down. We aren't here. We actually leave them here. There's some more drying in there quite nicely, and we will keep that seed till next year. And then next year, I'll be able to show you those same beans growing really well. Next year, we're also going to grow, there's some nice ones down the bottom there, you see. Yeah, a little bit of a feed there. Ooh. But next year, I'm also going to hopefully grow some Lady Di, some white flowering runner beans, because the white flowering runner beans seem to last well into the autumn. I'm not saying these red ones, which are Red Scarlet or Scarlet Emperor, haven't done well. They have done very well indeed this year. I've had some good feeds off them. They are runner bean. Don't be too keen. Save the beans.